Good afternoon, sir. Today I'm gonna tackle my QM final in my Kaggle. So first, we need to find our data set, which I found exam CSV. So first, we need to upload our data sets. After uploading, then we input div shape to show the rows and columns of our data set. Next, we drop the unnecessary variables of our data set. To do that, we type in div drop. So, then we input div describe to show the summary of our data sets. Then, we declare our x and y variables, our independent variable, which are reading score and writing score. And for our dependent variables, the main focus of our data set, which is math score. And we need to show the scatter plots of our data set as well. So in our first relationship and our scatter plots between math score and reading score, as you can see, the regression line is going up, which means that the relationship of the two is positive. It shows that the higher the reading score is the higher the math score. See? So next, and the last one, this is the relationship between math score and writing score and my second scatter plots. As you can see, the regression line is going up, which means that the relationship of the two is positive. It shows that the higher the writing score is the higher the math score. So, that's it. Thank you.